Day 1 of trying to color this slime purple. I've already added some purple marker spots over here. And now some are over here. So we're just gonna mix it and see what happens. It was so fun to mix this. It took a long time though. And then I added some paint. So if you want to know what that sounds like, it sounds like this. Then I just played with it for like the rest of the time. Bye!